What are you doing, Ava?
Carrot.
What are you eating?
Carrot.
Cereal?
Carrot.
Is it yummy?
Huh?
Mm-hmm. You got some milk on your chin. Uh-huh. That's okay, huh? What kind of cereal is it? Is it Cheerios? The milk?
Milk.
Look at that chin covered in milk.
Milk.
Milk. Is that good? Are you thirsty?
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Easy.
Thirsty? Drink the milk. Hey, Ava, can you count to 5?
9.
What's after 1?
Cover. 9.
1, 2. Can you say 2?
2.
What's after? Count to 5.
5.
2,
2.
4, 5.
5.
Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say I love you.
Why you?
Will you?